Sequence strings is an exploration for practicing counting and skip counting. The Info tab provides 3 lesson objectives and physical activity extensions. The Settings button allows the teacher to select the starting number and interval. The Play button brings us to the actual exploration. As you can see, as I place the critter onto the appropriate string, it will stick. An incorrect answer will be gently redirected. Please note the strings can be strummed to play music or to reinforce counting. When current sequence is completed, hit the arrow to move on to the next set of 10 numbers. Or, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to go back to the menu and select a new interval. To close the exploration, swipe up from the bottom to return to the menu. Swipe from the top of the screen down to close.